Hi, this is a walkthrough for the OmdenaLore repository and its documentation website. OmdenaLore is hosted on DAXUP under the Omdena organization. Right now, we're at root level in the repository. The components folder contains all the different coding components that contributors have placed inside OmdenaLore. For example, we can go inside the NLP folder and see the different modules there. To contribute to OmdenaLore, contributors can clone the main branch and open different branches to work on. Once they have made their changes, they can push their branch to DAXUP and open a new pull request to be reviewed by one of our reviewers. The repository also contains many different open issues that contributors can check out and collaborate with each other on. This is the OmdenaLore documentation website. The components section on this website contains the doc strings for all the different coding components that we saw on DAXUP. There's also a section for contribution guidelines, code of conduct, and frequently asked questions.